Batwa Yesu Kristo. Alwak. Yeah. Batwa Mego Vice President. Matikin Wakai. Kun Ngapma Chung Kakare. And I Mego Minister. Mabenetie woman member of the parliament. Machung Kelwak na Agago district. Mego Minister Beatrice Acoli. Apui Pipina Yupa Bulu. Uye where a poor one from a beach. May Agago Mount Jaro Karane, maybe a chum, the one Bulu, near Ramatin. We are poor, that you are we mourn. Mathieu, Kumara, Agago, Mount Biro Tikin Wakai. That is Assistant RDC, Mepade, a Pui Pimara Agago, Pui. One cow taking you for Kara in the room for what? The next speaker, Mayor Agago, Executive, Mamegi, the Councillor B, who you attack the Bulu. The big Bulu, Tall Wilson, the Executive Mamegi, who you, the yoke. How you put in the big mayor one pajo before you don't know why you will come here death to you again taking Wakai and a Julu to try to feel one more take it now a name of pink good lay and now Wulutikan before you yellow caroo Pepino the repeated Bulu. One the miel mapat the way the one lock duju MC Menero Martin and a Puyuba. Beware Martino Biro, Mape Ununea, Anya Kimone and Noa Ricky Richard. A tier the member of the parliament, Machung Pilwak Mea Agago West, the parliament may Uganda. Well, yeah, I got the one, I got one who, the yellow carry who, maybe you know, can I pick it from the room make. Before the class bill, Pereka Coro Yellow, and then one deal to you. I didn't call Wilson, the bully, a boy to try Metam on the one, be a little wrong why you Macameo. The boy. Numu wa tingo mabe mama na Bulu uye ku bara matil pirate mawajole ti ko ekel lonyo komi e pa de mameki alego ni film matil ni tewa neno ki wang metro Wadomo da kun waduolu Kaki wang buru Mawati yukiking wa mabe Wang wapinyano lonyo Ikin kweti mameko Abiru kingeng mana Won koma beach Ni luak lim maki wajo ni Wele anabiru ka winyi Hero ka anawuri kin bulu Hanpanero a two people making come Bulu. Bulu, I like only man off my nose, the tea, where in my bed. We hold up warm and me. The then minister, he lay up a no town council. One what he vocational school, Sario. Vocational schools, a chiel near Kimuane a team Kikoma. Now I make in Eurobican, Kajome a team Kikoma Tie, Kere Pinchol, a legony of bill with minister only. Akiga gumu kitien lo. Again minister Mayarione vocational school ma Wakikwere Iluone Agago Peace Restoration Center. Gembele Tikai. Again minister vocational schools Arione Kitika Yele Mate. Menen no kene konyo Bulu e miyo ne be teaching what Bulu. Here young me vocational school a document here. The kid mother one year, you have to feel the past, but it's not for war. Like an minister, make your leg. You cook Johnny, Catware, a capon more here, a capon, a more, the collar, and a nail in tea light. Hey, then give her my child. Vocational schools, Bati Agago, Ki Kapiro Mapaka. I think I'll make him minister, he let unity of president. I like only in the more like him all one leg. He can't go. Man, the community kuna yelle mena kwa Bulu ikine akero vocational school maatika yelle kwere mekonyo Bulu Buliwa alego ni kin makimi ni ti kwere mabega ola ko ana pe kilo mapol pinero matinni ana tika jollo ko yupu ikile ale mia beach atamune ti kwere me jollo ko yupu anna chalo rikke ana winyo lok tika were mapol ikindano eto an angeo ne Agago kudiet na Agago bene kudmero action ya la mo imere very system ti jumo ni rit committee ene pela Agago di proye Agago di proye wano mero na action keke yenu mo mapape ana puyo mate chum kanyo